Entering a specific sequence of buttons in a video game can give your character double the health and half the damage. In the real world, a tiny group of people is born with that exact advantage written into their DNA. To find this biological advantage, researchers studied 450 Ashkenazi Jewish centenarians. They compared their genetic code to people with average lifespans, looking for the specific instructions that allow someone to thrive for over a century. They found a lead in a protein called SIRT6. In a typical body, this protein acts like a cellular multi-tool. It spends its time traveling through your cells, repairing damage, and helping your metabolism run smoothly as you age. But in these 100-year-olds, that multi-tool was different. 1% of them carried a rare variant that featured exactly 2 tiny changes in its chemical building blocks. They called this version SIRT6. Those 2 microscopic changes sparked a massive investigation. Scientists needed to know if these centenarians were living longer because this modified protein was playing by a different set of biological rules. To understand the difference, look at the standard protein like a character with 2 main abilities. The first is deacetylase, which lets it remove chemical tags from your DNA. The second is mADPr, which lets it add new, sticky chemical tags onto other proteins to activate them. At first, scientists assumed this super protein would just be better at everything. They expected it to remove tags faster and add new ones more efficiently, boosting both stats at once. But the results were a surprise. The Centenarian protein was actually much worse at its first job. Its ability to remove tags was significantly weaker than the version found in a typical person. The protein made a tactical trade. By sacrificing its power to remove tags, it completely maxed out its mADPr stat. In gaming terms, it did a stat respec, moving its energy away from a balanced build to become a specialist in adding those sticky chemical tags. This shift changes how the protein defends the cell. It prioritizes one highly specific survival strategy over everything else. Maxing out that sticky tagging ability allows this protein to neutralize 3 major threats to a long life. The first is a DNA double-strand break, a catastrophic event where the physical ladder of your genetic code snaps in 2 due to radiation or chemical stress. The Centenarian protein uses its surplus of sticky tags to mark the break, calling in specialized repair crews to stitch the DNA back together twice as fast as the normal version. The second enemy is a jumping gene called line 1. These are rogue bits of DNA that copy and paste themselves throughout your genome, causing internal chaos and permanent inflammation as you get older. The Centenarian protein is a master at suppressing these genes. It uses its boosted tagging power to physically lock these rogue elements down, preventing them from ever copying themselves. The final threat is cancer. While this protein protects healthy cells, it reacts differently inside a tumor. It uses its massive supply of sticky tags to label cancer cells for destruction, triggering self-destruct sequences twice as often as the standard protein. By focusing entirely on this one chemical tool, the Centenarian protein effectively manages the 3 biggest risks to long-term survival. This protein doesn't work alone. To protect the cell for a century, it needs a partner called Lamin A. Lamin A is the physical skeleton of your cell's command center. It weaves into a dense protective cage that organizes all your DNA and keeps it from becoming tangled or damaged. We can see how vital this skeleton is by looking at progeria, a rare disease where Lamin A is broken. Without this structural support, the body ages at a terrifyingly rapid pace. This diagram shows the difference in the Centenarian build. While the typical protein on top only occasionally touches the blue Lamin A cylinders, the red Centenarian version on the bottom binds to them tightly, coating the entire skeleton in its sticky chemical tags. This tight bond creates a reinforced supershield. It physically organizes the DNA within the nucleus and fortifies the command center against decades of genetic stress. This partnership allows the cell to withstand the constant wear and tear that usually breaks down our biology over time. Exceptional longevity relies on a specific tactical choice. These centenarians aren't built from different materials. Their genes simply reallocate their limited energy toward maximum maintenance and repair. Most of us aren't born with this rare genetic advantage, but science has now identified exactly how it functions. Researchers are already using this information to design new medicines. They want to boost the tagging activity of the SIRT6 protein found in a typical person, forcing it to mimic the Centenarian version. Learning exactly how these proteins cooperate gives us a clear path toward longer, more resilient lives for everyone.